there's a pretty built-out infrastructure for surveillance cameras that are not good quality, but they're not expensive. Talk a little bit about how you design to that particular cost challenge, right? You're bringing them much more granular photos, much more high def streams, but it comes at a price, right?
Yeah. So the interaction with legacy equipment is actually a really important part of our product offering as well. So we make an encoder that allows you to keep your analog cameras as well. So basically since the 50s, people have been making and selling surveillance cameras based off of analog standards, so NTSC and PAL cameras, really low resolution, but obviously there's billions of those installed in the world. So we have an encoder product as well that allows you to maintain those existing assets, encode them into an IP system, and then manage them within our software, and then essentially just add those HD cameras where you need to, or upgrade over time as different things come up with the existing cameras.
So the big challenge, of course, as you go up the density scale is storage. How do you guys address that through your encoding software? Yeah, so definitely as you want to capture better and better video, there's challenges that come up with both bandwidth and storage, and that's where our HDSM technology comes in. So within the cameras, you compress the video, and we use either JPEG 2000 or H.264 compression for that. Once it's compressed and transmitted, that's where the software gets involved in managing that efficiently. So specifically on the storage technology, we have things like data aging, and what data aging allows you to do is store really efficiently, so that your oldest video is stored perhaps at a lower resolution or a lower frame rate than your more recent video, so you can more efficiently use a block of storage to focus on keeping essentially the best evidence, the highest quality evidence for the maybe the first few weeks, but then for archiving long-term data, you can either have that trimmed down by frame rate or resolution. Are there any trends in adoption, regional trends in adoption, or say law enforcement agency trends where some areas or agencies are going HD faster than others? Where we definitely, it's pretty broad-based now. Certainly most people understand the value of getting better video, and if you're going to go to the extensive installing surveillance, you want actionable video. But certainly where we saw the first adoption, where we've seen the most interest, is really people who use their surveillance system. If you're actively in there every day, if you're having incidents, if you're reviewing that footage a lot, certain verticals like education, hospitals, corporate campuses, people with incidents who need to go in and review on a regular basis, obviously saw the benefit more earlier on from higher resolution video. Yep.